Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings stand out? Imagine walking into a home with sparkling countertops, fresh scents, and shining floors. That's where TidyTex home cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in turning cluttered spaces into welcoming, market-ready homes. Our reliable and professional cleaning team works magic to help realtors prepare homes for sale, ensuring properties shine before open houses or buyer visits. Quick turnarounds? Absolutely. Whether it's a last-minute showing or a scheduled cleaning, we're here to help you close those deals faster. Plus, here's a tidy tip for realtors. Before showings, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. It enhances the home's appeal, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere that helps buyers envision their future. Remember, a well-lit space emphasizes the best features of any property. Ready to elevate your listings? Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today, and let's get started on making your homes irresistible to buyers.